Hi guys, welcome to Sub TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce a sublimation hack to those of you who want to print more items such as the mugs, some tumblers with handles, and more drinkware with handles using sublimation oven and shrink films only. I don't know if you guys have ever tried to wrap a mug with a shrink film. It will look just like this. As you can see, the shrink film cannot wrap the mug properly, so the pressure is not enough and the final transfer result will not be satisfactory. But this will not happen again because now you got this amazing little clamp. This is the new sublimation tool I want to introduce to you guys today. You don't have to buy an extra mug press or any sublimation mug wrap. Just use this little clamp. You can print more drinkware with handles using sublimation oven and shrink films only because it has great sturdiness and pressure to fasten one side of the shrink film on the mug handle, and so it will be much faster and more convenient for you to heat it and shrink it to wrap the mug tightly. Do you want to see how this little clamp works? Please keep watching. So do you guys like this amazing metal clamp? It's the perfect tool to use with your sublimation oven and shrink films. and now you can make the full use of them, print more products, and expand your business. So if you want to order it right now, please send email to best@bestup.net. And if you have any questions, please let us know on the comment. And I'm Alex. We'll see you again in my next video.